Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Cuteness and swagger on display as kids rip the runway at the launch of Island Child Style. The stylish launch held yesterday saw fashion enthusiasts, style influencers, parents and well-wishers showing support for young models who showcased some of the exclusive designs from established local designers. Courtesy of B3 Parenting magazine, Island Child Style is the Caribbean's first dedicated runway event featuring children's collections. The child-centered event harnesses self-awareness, confidence and creativity for youngsters whilst building brand Jamaica. An exciting component of the Island Child Style event is the inclusion of child designers. Local designer Mama Yashi is proud that this year her son Blessed will debut his clothing line.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. I can't even explain it, but it's nice to see and help him to manifest his visions. He always wanted to have this line and he wanted to have this t-shirt with his face on it, and all the ideas from his collection are coming from within his vision. So I'm just honored that I have the skill to help him to bring it to life, and I'm so proud.
Executive producer of Island Child Style, Michelle Gordon, shared what patrons can expect at this year's staging.
The most amazing show that Jamaica has seen. 2 years ago, we tore up the runway and we're going to do the same thing again this year. We have 82 models, 16 designers who are creating collections for these children and really showcasing Jamaican talent in so many ways. And this is an incredible opportunity for these kids to explode on stage and show them what they've got.
Beauty, style and fierce fashion will be showcased at the 2018 Island Child Style this November. Reggae artist Coffee has signed with Columbia Records UK. Coffee now joins the ranks of the UK singer Robbie Williams, US singer John Legend, and American rock band Kings of Leon, who are also on the Columbia roster. Owned by Sony Music Entertainment, Columbia Records is one of the company's 4 flagship record labels alongside RCA, Arista, and Epic. The 18-year-old, who recently graduated from Arden High School, is best known for the single Ragamuffin, which received heavy rotation on local airwaves, and her single Burning, released by Upsetter Records. Get 'em, girl. Now to news overseas, where American singer Tracy Chapman is suing rapper Nicki Minaj for copyright infringement. The Grammy-winning singer filed a lawsuit on Monday in a Los Angeles federal court in relation to Minaj's unreleased track Sorry, which incorporates the lyrics and vocal melody from Chapman's 1988 single Baby Can I Hold You. The lawsuit states the Fast Car singer repeatedly denied multiple requests to sample her song for Minaj's 4th album Queen. Sorry was not included on Nicki Minaj's album, but Chapman alleges the rapper gave it to a popular New York disc jockey who played the song on the radio and posted it on his social media accounts in August. Chapman is suing for unspecified damages and wants to prevent Minaj from releasing Sorry commercially. Tracy Chapman has won 4 Grammys over her career spanning 20 years. Her last album, Our Bright Future, was released back in 2008. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.